Welcome back to the channel. I got another one to do today. It's a 2023 refresh face Sierra Denali. I say refresh face, but this is actually how all 2023s look. It's refreshed in 2022, so they had a split year. It was like half a year the old body style, half a year the new. This truck's all chrome in the front. Looks really nice. It'll pair up really good with the chrome or the polished wheels that's going on it. This customer brought me a set of wheels that he had already. This is specialty forged 26x14s, color matched red. They look very, very good with the 38-inch Fury tire. We do a lot of the 9-inch lifts with Furies, the 38s, but there is a little bit more trimming on the GMC than there is on the Silverado. So you'll see that once the video is done. But once again, thanks for watching. Enjoy the video. There's a couple of different builds that we have in here. F150 on some 26x14s that looks really nice. So just let me know what you think in the comments. This is the chrome face FTS lift. Very, very popular upgrade we have with them. Goes really nice with all the Denali trucks with all the chrome accents and everything that you see on it.